Creating a magic system. Welcome to another Writer's Block workshop, a brief overview on how to create a magic system. My name is Cal Bowen. Many of you may know me as Coffee Pen Dragon. One of the first things you should define when you're working on your magic system is, will it be hard magic or soft magic? Hard magic is when you have specific rules put into place on how the magic works. Soft magic is magic that works how it needs to fit the story. Soft magic would be like Gandalf in Lord of the Rings, whereas hard magic would be words to cast spells like Harry Potter. Who uses the magic? Do you have people like sorcerers who are born with the magic, or wizards who study the magic? And it's not about what you call the people, but how do they gain the magic in your world. And then you want to think about, how is the magic used? Do people have to use spell scrolls or wands and staves? Do they get the magic from a book or a grimoire? Or is there some other implement they use to cast the spells or learn the spells? Magic also should have some form of limitation in your world. The magic of your hero should be more defined for the reader to understand how the magic works in your world, and the magic of the villain can be more mysterious to hold surprises for both the reader and the hero. But the abilities of the magic should be in balance with the limitations. So you should ask yourself, what is the cost or the price being paid for them using magic? There should also be dangers involved with the magic. What are the weaknesses to using magic? What are the weaknesses to having magic used on you? What is the source of the magical power? When did it start? How did it begin? What happens if you're using magic without proper training? And what is the range from the beginning novice to the magical master? You should also consider your culture. Is magic in your world going to be common, or is it special and only a few people can do it? Is it public and everyone knows about it, or is it hidden and maybe feared and hunted? How does magic affect your world when it comes to religion and politics and commerce? Is there a theme of magic in your world? Does the magic work based on a system of elements or metals or an ethnicity? Is there a connection to an outside force like dragons? The key to a good magic system is going to be consistency. If someone casts a spell in chapter 1, it needs to work or not work the same way throughout the story or the series. Your readers will know when you try to change your own established rules. And one last thing I want to talk about when it comes to magic. You can use magic to fight the battles, but you should never use magic to win the war. Do not use Deus Ex Magica. Yes, I made that up. But magic should not solve your plot. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a happy wordsmithing day.